and it's gone on.
Dozens of demonstrators gathered outside the U.S. Supreme Court with signs reading "Housing, not handcuffs," as justices heard arguments in a landmark case on the issue of homelessness.
This is about humanity. It's about dignity. It's about all of us.
The case centers around Grants Pass. The southern Oregon city tried to block people from sleeping and camping in public spaces, including sidewalks, streets, and city parks. At issue, whether those rules violate constitutional protections against cruel and unusual punishment. The case will decide whether local governments can enforce laws against people sleeping outside when there is no shelter space. They have nowhere else to go.
Where do we put them if every city, every village, every town lacks compassion and passes a law identical to this? Where are they supposed to sleep?
The justices repeatedly conceded that addressing homelessness is a complex policy issue, but some conservative members expressed doubt that a lawsuit was the best way to deal with it.
We usually think about whether state law, local law already achieves those purposes so that the federal courts aren't micromanaging homeless policy.
Officials across the political spectrum filed briefs in the case, saying lower court rulings have hamstrung their ability to deal with encampments. They urged the justices to clarify the extent of their legal authority to clear encampments that have spread across the West, in cities big and small. The justices are expected to decide the case by the end of June. In the meantime, many cities, including Portland, continue to explore how to deal with homeless encampments. Later this week, the Portland City Council is expected to discuss two different camping ban proposals. Kyle Boshi, KGW News.